Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the Stitching Die of the Month, second stitching die club item. Love, love, love how unique and fun this one is. Last month we did this one, I forgot the name of it. I'm going to put the name here. Oh goodness, my mind just went completely blank. Last month you had this A2 card base that you could stitch on, and then there was the add-in with the stamp set. This time we had the add-on with the stamp set, and then this time we have another add-on which is called Pocket Full of Spring. So the stitching die of the month is Pocket Full of Spring dies, and then the add-on is Pocket Full of Spring sentiments. This is also a die set. So this premise is just so much fun. Like you could actually stitch the pocket, have the blooms, then on the inside put the stitch with love and write a sentiment. So this stamp set from last month can still apply. Love that. Love how you can work in everything. Here, if you're looking at what I have here, you'll see a lot of Spellbinders yellow tape. I love yellow tape. Is holding all my little florals together, all my bits and leaves, and then these regular leaves and stems for your florals that you can stitch if you want. You don't have to do it. I love stitching, so I had a blast doing this. Now, when it comes to this and this, I always like to double them up just for me. I'm not a professional seamstress. I don't sew. That's my mother. I sew on paper, but if I was to just sew on one ply of paper, no. I like to use 110-pound cardstock. This is 110-pound cardstock right here by itself, and it's underneath here. Reason why I have this extra piece, because I normally cut my extra pieces in white, but I actually did this one in black underneath, black 110-pound cardstock, because I didn't want the white peeking anywhere through this. I wanted it to remain dark. My favorite color of denim jeans to wear. I love dark denim jeans. So I decided to make this card as if I am wearing this card to a Easter party, okay? These are my jeans. This is the pocket of my jeans in denim with metallic silver stitching. Look how good that stitching is. This is a back stitch. So here, did the denim pocket. That happy birthday, that's from here. But if I did not want happy birthday or happy spring, I could have used the add-on. Thanks a bunch. Thinking of you. Hello, friend. A gift for you. Now, both of them have this piece, which is what you layer up on top of here. So when you cut the die, you will get, see that embossed line? I know it's on white and it may be hard to see because I'm now in nighttime doing this, but you probably can see it. That little shape. That's what you layer that little bit on. Isn't this fabulous? I think this is so much fun for anybody of any age. Great for your kids, great for your teenagers, great for anybody who just would think this is just a hoot. I just love this little denim pocket. So look how different it looks by my colorway. Look at that. And I took this piece of pattern paper from my stash. So just a little bit of plaid. I knew I wanted something to lighten it and brighten it because I had this dark denim blue, and then I came in with this olive shimmer cardstock from my stash. The background here, that piece that I said that I had cut out of the green shimmer, is Fluted Classic Ovals. Fun spring day card with my dark denim jeans. And then I knew I wanted not green leaves. I was doing so much green. I was like, let me do some gray leaves. And I had the colorway in my head of yellow, blues, and I wanted to stitch blue, white thread, and then also bringing in, just for the yellow flowers, that gold metallic thread. This is all DMC thread, okay? Spellbinders does carry DMC bundles of floss, which is just the regular cotton thread, and then they also have the metallic, okay? So I will put links for that as well in their store. And then here, just to finish off the card, I use green gems. Love. In the centers here, gold mixed gems, the solid, just to break the brightness of that. And then I also use this is some jewel gems from my stash for the centers of the regular flowers. And I did this bouquet coming out of the pocket. I think that's so much fun. And here's the happy birthday. I could have stitched this, but I decided not to. I thought that the flower would look more organic, leaving that bit right here. And I love that I could do this top part of this flower. I don't know if it's called tulip, trumpet, whatever it's called, but I just love these kind of flowers so much in a different colorway, like a lighter yellow. And I just had fun stitching the flowers and then tucking these little bits in and popping them up and popping it off of this. Now, what I did with the denim pocket too, I don't know if you noticed, but 2 layers of foam here, 1 layer down here. So I have my pocket kind of like this, as if the blooms are literally bursting out of the top of the pocket. Let me see if you can see it from the side. You see the height difference? This is more flat. This is a little bit raised. Hopefully you can see it. I'm filming at night, so I don't have the sun to give that detail. Mini slimline. Here, this is navy blue cardstock coming back into this, just to break off of this bright color. So I'm just using just a pop of color here. Open it up, but I continued the pop of color, cut off one of the pieces, put it here. This Sending a Pocket Full of Happiness, that's from the clear stamp of the month. Love that. The Sending Pocket Full of Happiness does have a coordinating die if you want to order the dies, but you don't have to. You could just stick with the stamps. I just did these 2 and that, and just stamped that on the inside because it is a pocket full of happiness. Isn't that fabulous? That the Easter stamp set actually works with this as well. This, though, can be your all occasion card. Just make a bunch, have fun stitching, and play with the colorway, because right there you can see already that it looks completely different. Whoever the recipient is, if they love to wear pink jeans, green jeans, blue jeans, you know, there's all different colors of denim. Definitely make that pocket in their favorite color then, and then go from there. Or keep the blooms here, and if they like to wear a lighter denim like this, put that down here. Play and play and play some more. Love. And everything I've shown you will be detailed below. This is another winner from the Stitching Die of the Month, Pocket Full of Spring. And then we had last month's right here, just winner with the Stitching Club. Love it, love it, love it. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed below. I hope you have enjoyed all 3 videos. If you watched it, I did. The first one is like a bundled video because I normally shopped small die, large die, and glimmer together in a value pack, and also the embossing folder. So I kept those together, like how I shopped. I don't know why, but I did. Plus, I used them all in those examples, many cards. And then I did the beautiful Easter, love, and then now the stitching, still love. And if you want to put this stitching on the new embossing folders, look at it here with the hydrangea. It could have definitely worked with Spring Burst as well in the background if you wanted to do that. Okay, crafters, so check out all the links below. Mix and match your sets and have fun. And the Kit Club this month has so much variety. It's just all sorts of card making fun and goodness beyond Easter and beyond spring. Definitely birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. You never have enough birthday cards. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.